Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to see how to delete MoneyGram transaction history. MoneyGram allows users to send and receive money globally, but it does not provide a direct option to delete transaction history, unfortunately. However, you can take the following steps to manage your transaction history. If you want to remove your entire transaction history, the best option is to delete your MoneyGram account. Just follow these simple steps. Go to a MoneyGram website and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the Help or Contact Us section, call our customer support number, or submit an email request asking for account deletion. MoneyGram may ask you for verification, such as your address, phone number, email, or recent transactions. Once your identity is verified, ask them to delete your account along with your transaction history. Just a note, MoneyGram retains the transaction history for legal and regulatory reasons, so full deletion may not be possible. If you need more assistance, contact MoneyGram customer support directly on their website. And that's that, guys. Thank you for watching. Not to forget to like, subscribe for more.